What is up, everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Just going to show you one of the repairs I'm actually going to be doing tomorrow on this 2016 Lincoln MKX. So this is actually a repeat customer, and they had some bicycle actually fell into their left or right rear door here and actually damaged two of the spots here. So if you look closely, and I'm going to have a heck of a time trying to get this to show up on camera, but there's actually a hairline crack in the paint finish. You can maybe kind of see it. So anyways, that high spot there that you can see the line in, there's actually a hairline crack in the clear coat. So after doing some inspections here, we're actually going to be able to gain access to that area through taking off this weather strip molding. And I actually already pulled part of it off. There's actually a nice little factory hole there. I can barely see it. So anyways, but we're going to go ahead and gain access with a tool right in through there. Just kind of showing you kind of what tool I'm actually checked as far as access with. We're actually going to go ahead and be able to put this tool in right here. This is a Dent door hook tool. Swoop it up, swoop it up and into this area here, and then slowly twist to get this damaged area out. So nothing too extreme. We're not having to pull a whole bunch of the stuff apart. So actually on the last time we did this, if you're familiar with watching this on YouTube, I actually did a big video on this, actually explaining about the difference between laminated safety glass and tempered glass in doors. So this is actually the car that was used for that video. Actually, the customer was pretty pleased that used her car for the video. But anyways, so we ended up actually fixing some door dents in that door, but we actually had to take the door panel as well as the glass assembly to work through the top part. So anyways, on this one here though, I actually don't have to take the door panel and stuff apart, which they were obviously really happy with because it makes it a little bit more cost effective for them. So I'm actually able to get adequate access through that factory hole in the little clip here. So on top of that, I've got another car. I've got a 2019 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to be fixing some dents in the hood, and then which I actually already started a little bit on today, but didn't quite get done. And then I've also got a 2020 Ford Mustang with a couple minor dents in the quarter panel. And what's the last one? A 2016 or 17, one of the aluminum F-150 front fender. That was kind of an emergency thing. The guy needed to just squeeze it in this weekend, or by this weekend. So we're actually going to get started on that as well for tomorrow. So got 4 cars to work on tomorrow. We'll be checking in with you tomorrow to show you the progress before and afters on all of them. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow.